BBAI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only person in this space that's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years. And I'm not even exaggerating because it's all documented on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years and no one else has done this amount of freaking volume. BBAI, to just be very short, I started buying when it was a lot lower than where we are now. Like it was like decent $2, right? And at the time you can see this was already like, this is 7 months back. Yeah, 7 months back. It's absolutely crazy. And currently made like obviously started buying after the crash. The most recent one was this, and here is that, like this was made 21 hours ago. And ultimately the idea here is that if I here's like when I called it out, this absolutely did happen. And I'm ideally looking to just double down, meaning that if I see the price correcting down and giving me all sorts of that jazz, I'm good. If you want to learn all that sauce,